Owners of Legacy Restaurant and Lounge will have to wait a little longer to find out if they'll get their permit back. In September, Norfolk City Council revoked the permit after a quadruple shooting outside the establishment in August. Allison Bazzle tells the club's attorney spent hours arguing an appeal only for the hearing to end with no ruling.
At the start of today's nearly 3-hour hearing, the attorney for Legacy Restaurant and Lounge asked the judge to allow his clients to operate their business while they wait for future court proceedings. But the judge says he wants to take about 2 weeks to decide.
Norfolk Circuit Court gave us a fair hearing. We were able to present some limited evidence.
Attorney and Delegate Tim Anderson and a Norfolk City attorney argued their case in front of a judge about Norfolk City Council's decision to revoke Legacy Lounge's conditional use permit. Anderson represents Legacy Lounge co-owners Alexander Stokes and Warren Salvadon. He argued to the judge that Norfolk Council members violated the due process of both owners. He says City Council did not allow them to file evidence or speak at the revocation hearing that occurred in mid-September.
Never allowed to testify to City Council. He was never allowed to create a record. I mean, wouldn't you want to hear from the guy that was there?
In the courtroom, Norfolk attorneys told the judge Legacy could operate as a restaurant without selling alcohol, but would have to surrender its liquor license first. On the stand, Legacy co-owner Warren Salvadon told the judge his establishment makes 60% of its revenue between 12 a.m. and 2 a.m. and mostly from alcohol. He says surrendering the liquor license is not in the cards.
Not at this time. I'm fighting to be a nightclub. That's what I was.
In Norfolk, Allison Bazzle, 13 News Now.